Hello and welcome again to Try Make Video Tech Tips. Today we're gonna take a look at one of 3D Experience's apps, the xGenerative design. This app can be found after the 3D pattern shape creator role. So let's begin by creating a new part. We can start by defining our name. We can define the location where we're gonna save it and the dimensions that this part is going to have. Now that our part has finished loading, I can start by creating a line. As soon as I create this line, a dialog box appears. Here, I can modify the different settings of the line. We're gonna make this line 50 millimeters long and click OK. Additionally, we can divide this line in 5 parts by clicking the divide option. Finally, we will finish by creating a polygon on each one of these divisions, giving it a radius of 50 millimeters and give it 5 different sides. In the Create tab, we can embed our polygons through a loft. And click OK. And with that, we have quickly created our geometry. The big advantage of using xGenerative design is that we can modify our object by using a display graph. On this display graph, we can see all the operations that we have created. First our line, then our divisions, then the polygons attached to our divisions, and finally the surrounding loft. However, we can also modify all the operations by adding additional operators. So let's go ahead and first add a sizing operator. And a sequence operator. First, our sizing operator will obtain the number of points from our division curve and transform it into a variable. This variable will then be used as the number of points in the sequence. If I click in the operators, I can see additional settings that I have. I can add 90 degrees as the upper limit of my sequence, and then see the values of my sequence that go between 0 degrees and 90 degrees in 5 divisions. Then this can be connected to the different angles of my polygon, and we can see in real time how our part has modified. As you can see, our part has modified in real time. We can perform future adjustments like this through the display graph. And this brings us to the end of this video blog. Please follow us for any more updates of different apps and features in SolidWorks and 3D Experience.